Our CNC machining program is probably the broadest CNC machining program in the state of Idaho. We cover everything from basic drafting, manual machining, CNC machining.
I get to come to school and it really does feel like a job, but it's pretty laid back, get to work on what you would like to work on.
If you are motivated and driven to be the best and to be the top end of your career field, this is the program for you. You can come in with that motivation and we can help you achieve the absolute tip top of the field, not just in our state, in our region.
I learn new things every day, whether it be about machining, CAD, engineering, stuff like that.
Working with students is like my passion in life. We want them to enjoy their education and be proud of the work they do. If you're going to start your own shop, this is the program to come to, absolutely.
If you need more help than what you're getting just from a class standpoint, you're able to stay late. You're able to get a lot more help than you would be getting if you were to just raise your hand during your class time.
Our classes run from 7:30 in the morning to 11:30 in the morning, Monday through Friday. It's 4 hours plus a day, 5 days a week. It's a part-time job. It takes that level of dedication. You gotta want it and you gotta be willing to work for it. But our students have the highest placement rate of every program that is a CNC machining program.